In this video, I am going to tell you how you can manually change the date and time format in Google Sheet. So herein I have my Google Sheet, and now I need to click on this option format. There's an option of number, just tap on these, and you need to scroll down. There's an option of custom date and time, just click on custom date and time, and herein you can select any of this in Hindi, English, any language you want. So for example, I will select this one, this thing. So just tap on this, so it will change everything according to my needs. So it is up to me. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do it. It is very easy. You can again go there and I will show you. Let me select this one. Now you can see time is 00. I have not mentioned it. I will change it accordingly, timings as well, so you can do it. So I hope friends, now it is easy for you. It is not difficult. If you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.